You won't need to dress down this elote salad with zucchini noodles, as it is loaded with flavor. It's time for another hot dish from Happy Healthy Why.
With Daddy!
If you are not familiar with elote, like me, you will find that it's usually a Mexican street vendor's boiled corn on the cob with loads of mayonnaise, chili powder, cotija cheese, and a variety of other toppings, such as hot sauce, margarine, cilantro, and lime as possibilities. This lightened version of elote substitutes sour cream for the mayonnaise and adds zucchini noodles to give it a more fresh, yet still satisfying feeling. To start the elote with zucchini noodles, I'm going to be using this Spiralife spiralizer to make the zucchini noodles. Of the spiralizers I have used, this one is simple, easy to use, and does the job right. To see a full review of this spiralizer, you can check out the link above or in the description below. If you don't have a spiralizer, you can just cut the zucchini into thin strips for the same effect. Once the zucchini has been chopped, slide the zucchini noodles into a bowl. It doesn't have to be as large as the one I've got here, as I barely even fill this bowl halfway. Now that the zucchini noodles are in a bowl, add a couple of tablespoons of chopped cilantro. If you cut too much like I did, set it aside for others to add more if they like to the dish. To the mix, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 15-ounce can of corn, a teaspoon of salt, the juice of 1 lime, and about 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and then you want to mix all the ingredients together. On the side, crumble about 4 ounces of queso fresco to allow people to add as much or as little of the cheese as they like. You can also substitute the cotija cheese if you prefer. Now that everything's all mixed and ready to go, let's see what my kids think.
Sorry, it's giving me spaghetti vines. Let's see. I like the cheese crumbles. One thing to say is, it was very cold. This is a cold dish. Maybe it's because I had the chili before and it was actually heated up. But this just tasted like, the temperature-wise was cold. I taste a lot of the sourness from the limes or lemons that were in this, and I think this is coleslaw. What that flavor really comes through. I really don't even notice that the corn is there. I mean, at least with the noodles, I can at least feel the texture. And the cheese, I don't think it has much cheese. I really think the flavor from the lime and that sour stuff and the coleslaw, I think just powers through.
Okay. Cheese. Cheese is good. Now my fingers are messy. That's why you gave me a napkin. This reminds me of something. I can't really tell what it is, but I'd say it's pretty good. At first I didn't taste any of the chili flakes, but then in the end they kind of kicked in. It's a nice vegetable dish. More cheese. I don't like it all that much, but it's pretty okay.
Happy Healthy Wife, Chef Barry here, reminding you to... Wait a minute, you're still here? Well, if so, then you might want to consider clicking on the like button or leaving a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. And you can also subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays with shorts on Thursdays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.